Peace, peace. Just wanted to update the family on the Electroculture results. Show y'all how amazing things are looking now. This is an update from my video I made about 2.5 weeks ago. So look at these peaches right here. Look how plump and colorful these are becoming. I mean, there's peaches everywhere. I have never seen this many on this tree specifically. 2.5 weeks ago when I posted this video, you could barely see the fruit. Now look at them. Last year there was a total, I think, 10 fruit on this tree, and none of them made it. Now there's literally hundreds. Like, wow, I'm mind blown. Look at this. And then check these out right here. Check these plums out. Everything is becoming so full and vibrant. There's not as many plums on the tree because of the crazy wind we had and shit. But man, I am grateful. It's been a little while since I had a nice natural plum, so I'm looking forward to that. And then check out these pears right here. Like, wow. These pears are just thriving, coming in abundantly. Look how many there are. Just in this small area right here. Like, crazy. Check out these blackberries right here. So in the last video I posted, none of this was even here. And that was just 2.5 weeks ago. So within that time frame, this plant has went through the flowering and is already producing fruits. Look at this. That's crazy. Check out my blueberries. Now in the last video, the blueberries were flowering. They had started. But now, it's looking like I'm about a week out until harvest, my first harvest. And that's crazy. We still in April. And this blueberries all over this thing. And yes, family, I know you see a lot of clusters. I have been slowly, pulling fruits off so they can grow bigger and more abundantly and not have to worry about space and nothing like that. So appreciate y'all for tapping in. Peace.